Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, Home Design and Renovation Coach. I have been having tons of fun working with amazing clients lately, helping them transform their homes into spaces they love and areas that function well for them. So one of the houses that I'm working on right now, I thought you might find helpful. So it's a large house, very nicely done, but it's in a style that does not really represent my client. So it's a lot of beiges, browns, oil rub bronze is the metal mostly throughout the house, and that's kind of a brown gold type of color scheme. And she's much more interested in black, white, gray, silver, and a bit of bling. This gal really likes her Hollywood glam, and we're going to see how we can fit it in there. So what we're starting with is keeping the floor. So the floor is a really dark brown wood, and we can go actually more contemporary with that, and we can get rid of things like light fixtures and hardware, both on the cabinets and on the doors, and some of the tile, and really update the space without doing some of the expensive elements such as the floor and cabinets. So we are also going to paint the whole house, and just by doing those updates, it means that she's going to be able to move in and really feel like the space represents her a lot more. We're going to update a couple things of tile around a fireplace. That's going to be a great place to really add her signature style. And when we add in those light fixtures that are more chrome and brushed nickel and have the little bits of bling that she likes, it's really going to transform the space. So I'm really excited for her, and I can't wait to show you guys some pictures. So have a great one, and remember, sometimes you can have a huge impact on your design of your house if you just change the accessories, if you just change the bling. It doesn't have to be that hard. So I hope you have fun and this gives you something to think about. I would love it if you would like my page, follow my post, comment below. Again, always visit camianlarson.com and share me with your friends. Have a good one. Bye.